The dwelling designated the Cozy Midcentury Dream completely transforms expectations regarding residences of reduced scale, moving far beyond mere structural economy to establish an environment of profound domesticity and exquisite style. This particular mobile structure brilliantly captures the energetic and enduring spirit of mid-century modern (MCM) aesthetics, a movement universally acclaimed for its streamlined forms, organic components, and philosophical commitment to merging internal and external spaces. In an arena where every dimension demands careful justification, the deliberate integration of core MCM tenets, such as the liberal deployment of rich timber textures, expansive glass apertures, and seamless floor plans, cultivates an ambiance of perpetual comfort and established repose that belies its small size. This creation is fundamentally more than a tiny house. It functions as a meticulously designed, transportable haven that offers a compelling argument. One need not surrender sophisticated interior design or fundamental creature comforts when opting for significant spatial reduction. The successful cultivation of a deeply cozy environment within this home's limited footprint is directly attributable to its structural intelligence and clever manipulation of MCM principles. A crucial aspect of the design involves the thoughtful incorporation of mid-century features that simultaneously boost utility and visual spaciousness. This includes the strategic use of wall-to-wall glazing and high-level transom windows, a signature element of the era which effortlessly draws in sunlight and significantly amplifies the perceived volume of the interior space. The internal configuration typically favors a non-compartmentalized main area where essential furniture, chosen for its distinctive tapered legs and refined, unpretentious shapes, is selected to maximize comfort while minimizing physical bulk. Furthermore, the inclusion of streamlined built-in storage solutions and flush cabinetry meticulously preserves the uncluttered aesthetic vital to MCM, ensuring the space remains immaculate while providing maximum practical use and essential equilibrium for compact habitation. The palpable, welcoming quality of the Cozy Midcentury Dream originates largely from its curated palette of textures and colors, which consciously avoids the austerity of cold, contemporary minimalism. The defining sensory element is the deep, grounding character of authentic timber finishes, including the luxurious grain of walnut, the rich hue of teak, and the robustness of oak, which are uniformly applied across surfaces, establishing an immediate foundation of organic elegance. This woodwork is perfectly complemented by the vibrant, characteristic accent hues of the MCM period. Think ochre yellow, deep burnt umber, calming sage green,